You attract who you are, not what you want. Listen to that again, ladies, okay? You attract who you are, not what you want. The moment that you elevate your frequency and you embrace the habits of a high vibrational woman, you begin to see a profound shift in yourself. You will naturally attract a partner that is secure and mature, or if you're already in a relationship, you will see him stepping up to match your energy. Now, let me clarify something. Being high vibrational isn't about being perfect or always radiating positivity. And this is how I like to explain it. Imagine your body, mind, and spirit as an instrument creating music, okay? So when you're out of tune, the sounds are jarring and out of sync. But when you are aligned and at peace, you produce a melody that is harmonious and uplifting. Each of you has experienced being high vibrational at various points in your life, right? The potential is already within you. It's simply a matter of embracing the habits and qualities that allow that part of you to shine consistently. My name is Ismael Gomez. I'm a coach, writer, and speaker. And if you want to be in sync with me doing this video, guess what? You can be multitasking, okay? So give me your full attention as I walk you through 5 core traits of being high vibrational, okay? So let's begin. Number 1, you choose peace over love. A high vibrational woman understands one undeniable truth, and that is that even if you love someone deeply, but that connection only creates chaos and disrupts your peace, if it keeps you in a cycle of overthinking, anxiety, or emotional instability, it's always better to walk away. And not because you don't care about the person, but because you value your well-being above any romantic relationship. A high vibrational woman finds value in the solitude that comes with having high standards. And yes, the higher your standards, the fewer people you may connect with, but the deeper those connections will be. This is something that I've experienced multiple times, okay? The moment that you start attracting your dream reality, the moment that you find success, the moment that you have a wonderful partner, a lot of people close to you will try to drag you down. Because when you start to shine, many individuals around you will start noticing their shadow, and they're not going to like that. Like for example, I knew someone who was creating relationship content similar to mine, okay? And we were always talking and collaborating, but the moment that my videos started to blow up, okay, and I started reaching a lot of views, and it basically took me 12 months to reach what had taken him 5 years, okay? The moment that he noticed that, let me tell you ladies, that guy switched up on me real quick. Nevertheless, being high vibrational is not about looking down on other people or judging them for operating at a lower frequency. Instead, it's about recognizing the potential in everyone and striving to uplift those around you. But when someone attempts to drag you down, you gracefully remove yourself from that environment. Number 2, you embrace simplicity. Imagine you're trying to fly, but someone puts a heavy backpack, okay, filled with 100 pounds of unnecessary weight onto your shoulders. How far do you think you will get? And life works the same way, okay? Many people think that they need to add more possessions, more dates, more distractions to feel fulfilled, but true elevation often starts with the act of removing. And something that I always suggest is simplifying the amount of love, dating, or life advice that you watch online. Understand that there are billion-dollar industries designed to keep you in low vibration, okay? Fear sells, insecurity sells, and as long as you believe that you're not good enough, there's always going to be someone ready to profit from your pain. I see this in my own videos, by the way. When I make one video titled How to Build a Healthy Relationship, that video probably gets 20,000 views. But when I make one titled 7 Dark Manipulation Tactics That Men Use to Keep Women Hooked, that one gets 100,000 views. And I hate having to do this, but you know, I'm competing against everybody else. For me to get you there, I have to create, you know, this clickbait titles so you can come in and watch the positive message inside the video. Also, if you're striving for simplicity, okay, one thing that would always work against it, do you know what it is? Drama. People are so addicted to drama, okay, whether it's in your relationships, on your phone, or in the news. And do you know what's the best way to avoid drama? Is to replace it with meaningful challenges, okay? For example, I get clients that come to me and say, Ismael, my partner just left me and I think he's seeing someone else. Do you think he's cheating on me? Again, focusing on the negative. So I tell them, okay, let's rephrase this whole thing in your mind. I want you to think, Ismael, my partner just left me, and I want you to teach me about setting healthy boundaries. I want to learn about manifestation and detachment. And you see, with this mindset, you always turn any event into an opportunity for growth and clarity. Number 3, you never speak against men. Here's a quote I posted recently. I've been betrayed, lied to, and manipulated by some women in my life. Yet, I've never let that turn into hatred toward women. I never blamed them. I simply learned to choose better. High vibrational women do the same with men, okay? They don't allow one bad experience or even several to become the lens through which they view all men. Every belief that you hold carries a frequency, okay? So if you carry the belief that all men are trash or no man can be trusted, then you're emitting a frequency that will attract experiences to confirm those beliefs. In science, we call this confirmation bias. Also, let me tell you ladies that even if it's just one man that you hold hatred or resentment towards, okay, I want you to understand this deeply. Imagine that I give you a cup of just pure clean water, okay, and I add a single drop of poison in it. It doesn't matter how clean or pure the water is, it is now toxic. And the same applies to the hatred or bitterness that you hold, okay? You might think that you can contain it, direct it only to this one person, but the truth is that it's going to spill into other areas of your life. It will cloud your ability to attract love, peace, and fulfillment. Number 4, you understand your pain. Here's the truth that most women don't comprehend, okay? And that is that in those moments that you feel you're chasing love from a man, okay? You're actually not chasing love of the person. What you're truly going after is a relief from your own internal pain. So instead of focusing on the guy that you want, focus on what you feel incomplete and unfulfilled without this person. Maybe the pain comes from a fear of abandonment, a fear of rejection, loneliness, but the moment that you learn to sit with those feelings and truly understand their roots, you will start living from abundance rather than scarcity. When you confront your pain instead of running from it, you stop needing other people to rescue you. You become your own savior. And final, number 5, you embrace spirituality. So spirituality can look like a million different things for each person, right? And it doesn't necessarily mean following a specific religion or a set of rituals. It's about connecting with something greater than yourself, whether that's God, the universe, or simply a deeper sense of purpose. Practicing spirituality encourages patience and trust that things always happen for a reason. However, this doesn't mean staying passive, right? You can take action while trusting that you're being guided along your path. And today, I want to share some of my favorite quotes about this subject, okay? Here you go. The soul usually knows what to do to heal itself. The challenge is to silence the mind. We are not human beings having a spiritual experience. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. You're under no obligation to be the same person that you were 5 minutes ago. Alright ladies, so let me end this video by saying Happy New Year. I hope that my videos help you attract love, peace, and abundance in 2025. And whenever something amazing happens in your life, just please share it in the comments. Let's fill this channel with positivity and good vibes, okay? Anyways, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm glad that you chosen me to learn about self-love, dating, and relationship dynamics because like I always say, for your relationships to change, you need to change, okay? Have a beautiful day.